my beautiful people, how you all doing? Hope you guys are good and strong. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys a very simple DIY that I normally use 7 days in a month on my face. So I usually use this DIY 7 days in a month. Why? Because each time I see my period, I usually get to have pimples and black spots on my face, and I don't want that. So this is what I usually use every single month. So it's very simple and it's very active, and this is not just going to take care of my black spot. It's also going to help in terms of discoloration, skin blemishes, and pimple. So if you are really if you are looking for something that is going to help you get rid of those stuff, here is a video for you. You should just stay tuned and watch this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you will be notified each time I will be uploading a new video. So without further ado, let me just show you guys how I make this.
So guys, our first ingredient is honey. Honey helps your skin absorb and retain moisture, which keep it from drying out. It repairs and prevents skin damage. So another ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric helps reduce acne and any other resulting scars. The anti-inflammatory quality can target your pores and calm the skin. So, and it also brightens the skin. So our next ingredient is neem powder. If you don't have neem powder, you can make use of lemon powder. Neem powder actually helps in terms of black spots, and we're going to be making use adding a sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder help from the harmful ray of sun. It also help to any kind of burning sensation caused due to acne or sunburn. So we're going to be making use of a lemon juice. Lemon contain vitamin C in form of ascorbic acid. It does a great job at even at pigmentations without too much irritation, and could help increase collagen in your skin. I'm going to be adding collagen. Collagen help in reducing skin elasticity and hydration. So collagen is really good and very important in this remedy. Not so important if you don't have, then you can skip it. I just love to add collagen to my face mask because it helps a lot. The another ingredient I'm going to be adding right now is my sulfur. Sulfur is really good in terms of rashes, eczema, and other skin infection. I tend to have rashes on my face, so that's one of the reasons why I am adding this sulfur, guys. So that's it. Let's measure
out is our honey. So we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of honey to make this this product right here. This is already more than 1 tablespoon because this honey is really thick. So first we're going to add all our liquid products in here before adding the powder. So this is my collagen, so I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon of my collagen. And then my skin-free milk, I'm going to add also a half tablespoon of my skin-free milk. That's enough. This is half tablespoon, so I'm going to add 2 of these. Before doing this, make sure you wash your hands clean to avoid dirt in your products. Now we're going to mix everything together before adding the powders. So if you feel like this consistency is too thick, when you're done mixing all the powder in here, then you can add more lemon. use my sandalwood. I'm going to add just 1 tablespoon of my sandalwood in here. And then my neem powder, I'm adding literally everything to it. And my sulfur, I'm going to use just a little bit of my sulfur powder. This is enough. That's going to go a long way. Then my turmeric, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my turmeric powder. Mix everything together. So this is going to last me for 7 days. So consistency is really okay. So I don't need to add more water. I'm just going to leave it like this. I'm so sorry guys, the noise coming from the background. See, the consistency is really nice and cool. I'm going to let this sit for 24 hours before applying this to my skin. I'm going to leave this thing tomorrow before applying this to my skin. So I'm going to add few drops of my orange essential oil. If you don't have orange essential oil, use any essential oil that you have. That's enough. That's all that I have left. So I'm going to mix together.
So guys, we're done with our turmeric face mask. This is how I make my turmeric face mask, so you can try it and see if it will work for you. But I'm going to, like, I'm assuring you that it's going to work. It's going to work for you because I've been using it for a very long time. So I'm going to make another video of me doing this face mask, using this face mask for 7 days. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And if there's anything you want me to know, just comment down below.